So this is another 60 cm length, 90 cm height, and 45 cm width. So it's gonna be a very strong, tall waterfall that flowing from here all the way down and flowing down. And it's gonna be have two mist maker here with a very strong misting, foggy effect flowing down through the river stream. So we have placed the pump inside here, and later on this is removable. This is very important. Do not conceal the pump, just in case anything went wrong with the pump, you can still replaceable. And last but not least, we're going to put a container here to capture the water, and the mist maker will be built inside here. And after that, we're going to put the expanding foam, so stay tuned. Okay, the hardscape basically done. Alright, the waterfall flowing down from here. Now, in order to prevent water splashing, usually if you want a very strong waterfall, the water will splash onto the glass usually at this point, the riverbank point. Now what we did is that we put a block here, and then we'll put a silicone and cover it up, and usually it will also be splashing, you see, because it will hit on the rock, so you couldn't prevent 100% splashing. So what do? You see a lot of water, right? It's wet. I will just place it like that. Alright, so stay tuned.